Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to the next day of the Vedic Mathematics class. Today we are going to actually start the Vedic Mathematics. Last time it was introduction, which was important. Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to the next day of the Vedic Mathematics class. Today we are going to actually start the Vedic Mathematics. Last time it was introduction, which was important. So let's start with the actual Vedic mathematics concepts and the sutras. So today we are going to see the second section, subsection 2, which is based on the addition. So this section is based on completing the whole and 10-point circle by completion or by non-completion. The Vedic Maths Sutra which we are going to use here is Purna Purnabhyam and Ekadhikena Purven. These two sutras we are going to use. What is the meaning of this sutra? I am going to tell you. Purna Purnabhyam. Basically in mathematics, number 10 is very important. Okay, so number 10 has got a weightage here. It is the important number because after the discovery of 10 only, the other numbers comes into picture. After 9, what? The number 10. So number 10 is considered as the Purna number. So completing the whole and 10-point circle is basically based on number 10, that we are going to look for number 10. Okay, and or the multiple of 10. And you also know that if we are dealing with number 10 or multiple of the number 10, it is easy to do that calculation. So that is the first sutra we are going to use, Purna Purnabhyam. And second is one more than one before. Now, if you see the number series, the number series basically based on this sutra, one more than one before. If I take number 2, okay, so and then number 2 is one more than its previous number, that is number 1. Number 3 is one more than the previous number, that is number 2. So one more than one before. एक से ज़्यादा एक, है ना? एक से ज़्यादा एक, यानी एक से ज़्यादा दो, एक से बड़ा. So one more than one before. So this is basically describe the generation of the numbers from unity. So if you can see this, okay, this is a 10-point circle. So here you can see the sutra जो मैंने आपको बताया था. Okay, one more than one before. This is 1, 2 is one more than 1, 3 is one more than 2, 4 is one more than 3, 5 is one more than 4. So like this. So ekadhikena purvena. Ek adhik purvena means previous one. So previous one से एक ज़्यादा is ekadhikena purvena. Now, if you see this, okay, it is very interesting thing. If you see this circle, here my number started from number 1 and ends at 10. So horizontally, if you see this, look here, 9 plus 1 is 10, 8 plus 2 is 10, 7 plus 3 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, 5 plus 5 is again 10. So this is basically a 10 ka circle. 9 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 7 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 5 plus 4, it's 10. So what is the life skill you are getting from this? The ability to see the wholeness. Okay, whenever you see anything, try to see the wholeness. So look for the tens. In mathematics, basically we are always looking for the tens because that will make us our calculation more easy. So let's do some questions based on this. So Vedic Maths Sutra by the completion or non-completion. Now here there are 2 digits number I have taken. 22 and 46. These are non-complete number because multiple of 10s are not there. So if 10 or 10 multiple are not present in the number, they are considered as the non-complete number. So 22 plus 46, both are basically the non-complete number. So what we are going to do, we are going to make it complete. So instead of writing 22 and 46, I am going to write down 20 plus 2 and 46 I am going to write down 40 plus 6. Now we are just starting it, that's why I am writing it. Otherwise, once you get the practice of this, you will be master in this. Mentally, you can do all this calculation. So what we are doing, we are looking for the tens. Okay, tens or multiple of tens. So here I am writing 20 plus 2 and 40 plus 6. Now it is easy to deal with 40 plus 60, 40 plus 20 is 60 and 6 plus 2 is 8. So this is 68. Okay. 38 plus 20, 21. So I am going to write down 8 plus 1 plus 30 plus 20. So 20 plus 30 is 50 and this is 9. So 59. Now can you do this mentally? Just try. 71 and 19. 9 plus 1 is 10 and 70 plus 10 is 80 plus 10. The answer must be 90. You try this. Okay. 48 plus 22. 40 plus 20 is 60 and 8 plus 2 is 10. So 70 is the answer. 26 plus 54. 20 plus 50 is 70 and 6 plus 4 is 10. So 80 is the answer. So mentally you can do once you get this technique. So always looking for the tens by the completion or non-completion, or the sutra is Purna Purnabhyam. We are looking for the wholeness. If it is not there, we are trying to make it. Okay. So maybe in your mind question ऐसे आ रहा होगा कि क्या हम सिर्फ ऐसे एडिशन ही करेंगे? नहीं, we are going to do subtraction also, because every time you are not getting this type of number. तो वो भी आगे आएगा आपको जैसे हम आगे जाएंगे. Now let's try with the 3-digit number also. This is not only useful for the 2 digits, 3 digits number also we can use here. तो देखो, एक बार ना आपको सूत्र समझ में आ गया, then you can use it for means हम आपको जितना चाहिए उतना नंबर के लिए आप इसको यूज कर सकते हो. So this is 422 plus 368. So 400. इसके अलग अलग मेथड है, बट आई एम यूजिंग दिस मेथड. 400 plus 300 and 22 plus 68. You can write down this as 20 plus 60 and 6 plus 8 plus 2 is 10. Actually ये आपको अभी पता चल गया, तो mentally you can do this. So 700, this is 20 plus 60 is 80 plus 10. 790 is the answer. अभी ये I am going to do this mentally. 200 plus 500 is 700 and 36 plus 62. 30 plus 60 is 90 and 6 plus 2 is 8. So कितना हुआ? 798. ये देखिए, 600 plus 700 is 1300 and this is 40 plus 50. 40 plus 50 is 90 and 90 plus 7 plus 7 is 14. So 19 plus 1 is आ गया 1400. 4 is the answer for this. Check this, means you can write down, you can solve this and check all the calculations. So 3-digit number also you can do. You can also use 4-digit number. Okay, एक बार आप practice करो so that you will thorough in this. So for today's, that's that's enough for today. Next time we are going to solve with some different thing. Thank you. Hello students, how are you all? So welcome to the third day of the Vedic Maths. Today we are going to see the another thing of addition only.